Alright guys, what's going on? We're going to do a box of 18-19 Upper Deck artifacts. It's got 3 hits. They could be jersey, autographs, or bounty cards, so we don't know what they're going to be. Hopefully some autographs though. We're going to go ahead and show some teams here. And then we're going to fire it right up.
Open, there we go.
Well, Jerry kind of started the open for me to make it a little easier on me. But
I do stupid things sometimes.
Still got to break this though.
Oh, we have special guests. Special guest here today.
Does our special guest want to say anything?
He's shy, folks. 8 packs, I like it.
Vacation Joe's in the house.
Vacation Joe.
8 packs. And if you're wondering who the special guest is today, his name's on the belt, so that'll give it away.
The champ is here.
Defending the title.
Well, we'll see after tonight.
Right.
Is it the first pack again? What? It's been the first pack.
First pack looks like a filler this time. Alright guys, first pack, Bo Horvat. Alright, so we got an Artifacts rookie card of Ryan Donato for the Boston Bruins, and that one's numbered 96 of 999. So that one's going to be Jude's. Cardboard filler, nothing there.
Anything numbered is good.
Christian Dvorak. And a Kyle Palmieri base card. That's pack number 1. Jerry, what pack?
The bottom one on the right. Number 96 of 999.
Alright, pack number 2. Starting off with a Tuukka Rask here, base card. Koye, bud.
Oh.
You got a dual jersey of Max Pacioretty. And this one's actually numbered 23 of 165.
Oh, nice.
So, nice card, buddy.
Yeah.
Pacioretty double jersey. Nice. And nothing on that. And Martin Jones base card. Sorry, I put that on the table. You'll have to have that.
Numbered.
Alright. Phil Kessel base card. We got a Tyson Berry base card. That's low numbered.
Oh.
So this one's numbered 14 of 20.
Wow.
Gabriel Landeskog, Colorado Avalanche, and that's going to be Koye again. So
Oh my god.
Koye's getting a hot start here.
For the belt here.
So that's 2 cards numbered there, Koye, already.
20?
Numbered at a 20.
Oh my god, that's a nice card.
Base card. And Tyler Toffoli base card, guys.
That looks really sharp too with the purple.
Did you say bottom pack on the right or left?
Right.
Right?
Joe is shaking his head in disgust, but...
I wonder if Koye even knows who Gabriel Landeskog is.
Yeah.
I know he doesn't know how to spell him.
That's the first time a Montreal jersey or autographs come out, though, I think. Nico Hirschau base card. Nicholas Backstrom base card.
Unreal. What's with Crosby?
So we got a red parallel, numbered 211 of 349 of Sid the Kid. So Justin picks up a nice little Crosby again there.
He's going to have a whole Crosby collection.
He's already got a nice one just in the last few boxes here. Cardboard filler and a Matt Duchene base.
I like the red too, sure.
So we should have 2 more hits in here at least, right? Because there's just been the 1 hit. The rest have just been numbered.
Yeah.
Jeffy Skinner. It's for the Hurricanes.
Come on,
He
Raph.
just got
What are you
shafted.
doing? Come on.
Alright, next card is a Ricard Raquel base card.
What is this? A rookie redemption card?
So this is 1 a box, these ones fall. And these are wild card rookie redemptions. So they have a rookie redemption for every team, and I believe this is just the wild card one. So I'm going to look into it and make sure it doesn't belong to a specific player. If it belongs to a specific player, it'll go to the person that has that player's team. If it's just a straight up wild card, it's going to be random between everybody. So I'll let you guys know about what's going to happen with that one.
Upper Deck just send you a random card?
Yeah, like whoever gets it would have to mail it in, but would get the random card basically.
Well, we gotta find this out tonight then.
DJ Ocean. Oh, we'll find it out.
Yeah. I think it's gonna be Rasmus Dahlin.
We haven't opened the football box yet, so we'll look at that in between and see if we can figure it out, and we'll just say it during the football box.
Yeah. This could lead to the belt right here, whoever this is, really.
Well, I don't know if it's just a wild card regular rookie or if it's like you can get jerseys and all, I don't know.
Yeah.
So we got a Pula Jarvi base card. Ooh.
Oh, come on.
Ooh. All right, so we got another hit here, numbered 51 of 165. Another dual jersey, but this time we've got Geno Malkin for the Penguins. Justin ripping it up. Justin and Tyler are tearing this box apart right now. And nothing there. And a Ryan Suter base card.
That's cool that it's black.
There's 4 teams I think.
4 teams.
Justin has one and he's hit twice.
Yeah. Just gotta get the right team.
All right, we got a Pierre-Luc Dubois. Looks like there might be another redemption there. Patrick Marleau base card. Ooh.
What's this, Ref?
Okay, so this one's an autographed rookie redemption. There's a list for these ones, so this one definitely belongs to a specific player. So again, we're gonna have to pull that list up here. I guess we can do that at the end of the video here.
Dahlin.
I think Dahlin would be 1.
Oh yeah, he'd be 15th, or whoever was 15th overall. You want to Google it?
Nikolai
I think
Ehlers.
that's what that means.
Just Google artifacts redemption list, Joe.
Yeah. Who was 15? This is the pack I picked. Yep. 2 rookie redemptions.
One's an autograph, one's not, though. I think that's the difference, yeah. Alright, this is Jared's pack. We got a Nazem Kadri base. Max Pacioretty base card. Okay, we got a rookie here for the Tampa Bay Lightning of Anthony Cirelli. This one's numbered 769 of 999.
Jesus.
That one's going to be Luke's, I believe, for Tampa Bay. Yep, our boy Luke. And filler on that one, and as well as a Scheifele base card, guys. Did you find that?